Andy! Come on. Andy! You making your snowman House of Horrors? Get the bucket quick. What the hell? Spooky! Wait, I'll make you an idea. If one of you others runs around here with their shorts on, I'll do it. Oh, ouch! Fuck. No. Oh man, that's bad.
It's an injury. You're videotaping my injury, you little skank. Oh, I'm gonna hurt you. Andy, take a measurement. Andy.
I tried to do it.
Andy, measurement.
What's this? What's this?
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. It's a 15 inches here. Oh, it's a 12.
Andy. Right on up over there. Look at my bucket.
My bucket.
Yeah, Andy's making it bigger for you. You can hide behind it and shoot at people as they're walking the building.
But an actual snowball? Was?
You won't protect me.
What?
So cold, even though I'm wearing gloves.
Yeah.
Oh, you come out.
I don't know what you're doing yet.
Funny.
Yeah, it's a snowball. We hide behind it.
You gonna throw snowballs at people as they enter the building? Is that it?
Hey, if it was better, we could use the trash cans to make an igloo. You know?
But yeah, we could use
Small
it.
igloo. Tiny.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna check the time. I think it's time to try.
I swear to God.
Chicken fight?
Let's do that. Uh-oh.
Chicken fight?
This is a duel, Jen. Come on, let's go.
Chicken fight?
What's that?
Get on
Gotta hold
someone's
that
shoulder.
on the back. Piggyback ride. You'll see. Come on, Andy. Again, goddammit.
No, one right out.
Which one's your right arm?
Yeah.
Then get the hell, then pull it out of there so I don't have to grab it.
Okay, your right arm, right?
Well, that's the one that I normally write with, right?
Oh, Jay.
Andy, it's not clicking.
Wow.
Not checking?
Not clicking.
You gotta get this.
Yeah, it won't turn either.
Okay. One click and one turn.
Click it.
Oh yeah,
Who's up?
you have to open the shutter.
It is open.
All the way?
All the way.
She can't operate the camera.
Try now.
I couldn't hold you.
Ah!
There you go.
It's working. Alright.
But I could
Charlie.
hold my little cousins.
Oh, this
Charlie, help me build the trash.
Okay, let's go to the trash.
Lay down.
What would you like me to hold it with?
Not this snow.
Wait.
Not this snow.
Dumper feet.
I'm falling.
Heading into it.
I'm a fall.
Dumper.
No, you're not gonna fall.
You ready? We're gonna sit right in the snow. You ready?
You might want to sit this side.
Stick.
Oh, like this?
Here, off the plane. Other ones. I have a big pair. Real warm. Don't even get wet.
shit. Look at Chandler's face, man. Oh. Chandler, your face is so red.
What?
Your face is so red.
I wonder why. Thank you. You got drooling. I opened my mouth and you smacked a whole mouthful. Give me a whole mouthful. Someone didn't take him down.
피부터.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Get out of here.
Oh,
Okay, stop meditating.
Oh.
Hey Scott, we
dear
put your
Lord.
character right up front, so these 4 large ogres can kill you.
God, give me that and play, okay? You go play, I'll take care of that.
Late night throw camp.
Excuse me. Why don't you go play?
Yeah, Pete.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, Scott, what are you doing then?
Scott, what are you doing?
Yes,
Up in
man.
front?
Yeah. Well, there's
Automatic focusing.
Just whenever you leave and we have
That's
to
what
make
he's
decisions
doing.
for you, we'll be up
It's
front.
automatically focusing. Pretty cool.
Alright.
Cool.
I hack them big time right now.
Do a zoom
What
in
am I
on
doing
someone.
there?
So good. Scott, you're right there. He's hiding from me, little fucker. Little fucker's hiding from me.
What?
Get the comic.
Yeah.
They're coming from Margaret.
They're coming this way.
Oh, then I had to turn, obviously. Sorry.
Katrina goes all the way over there.
Yep.
Alright, I turn. Now can I hack?
Can I see?
No.
The ogres are coming from over here. The ogres up here yet? This is
That's
Katrina's
me.
camp.
I'll turn around.
Scott decided to attack. It's like, you want to hack me?
I still want to hack.
I'll check and see if he's evil.
That right there is Benny on my ox cart.
Listen, you're still on the ox cart.
The cat is Scott.
That, sir?
No, I'm trying.
Yeah, an ogre can pick
Okay.
the ox cart.
See ya. Ogre. So if he gets past it from him.
Can I see him now?
Ba-ba-da-ba.
How far away?
The ogres!
Ran.
Yay.
They're like
Can I shoot?
Oh,
I
there's
think
another
we'd
one right
see
there.
them well before they got to us.
They ran.
If you said it's a clearing and we couldn't see them forever and there was absolutely no...
There.
Ooh, two
That's
more.
the way it is.
We should see them running. I mean, they're not like running at light speed.
Okay,
Yeah, do it.
Yes.
Does that
Flash.
flip up?
who's the clear one?
I think we should get at least a couple missile attacks.
I want drop.
Scott, does the eyepiece like flip up?
We didn't get any missile attacks.
Oh, wow. Can I like borrow that from my the hunt this year?
You just said there was a clearing.
The hunt. That's something that the CS has.
Abby?
Yes.
Like
So
every
wait,
year.
what's going on here? How far? What's
Well,
the range?
you said I could earlier this year, but I want to make sure it's okay.
What's range?
Yes. Say yes.
100 yards.
Can I shoot?
What's your range?
What's my range? I don't know what.
Can I see that wizard book again?
I got one. Hey.
Which book?
Extract.
Which book? This or Wizard's Handbook? It's out of range.
What's the range on a longbow?
You didn't write it down?
Nobody told me what it was.
Mark, you want to throw us the player's handbook unless you need it? I'll check on stuff like that. Wait. No, that was yours. I'm drinking water out of it.
As you can see, the rain's moving. No, I'm afraid. Wait, we're almost out of it. Get your hand up. Goes like this, and we're gonna get nailed. Hope you're ready. Dress wet. Hey Scott, remember what I said about your lens? If you pointed that at me.
Only one, you know.
The last one.
Well, no, not the last one. Well, oh my God, I can't believe you did that. Oh my God, you grabbed his butt. Oh, this is disgusting. No, this is disgusting. I can't believe this.
We know you all can't see this, but Scott's got a huge smile on his face right now.
His legs aren't quite that.
Already started.
He's already started his.
You gotta get Alan on film. We don't have him yet. He's I think the only one we don't have yet. You could get Sean. Could get Sean, but no, he's not going. He's not going. So don't get him.
Scott.
Going? Why not?
He was setting it out.
Here.
Come on, Jan. Oh, come on, Jan. You. No. Jan, no.
He's got away now.
Yeah, right.
He has. Take all of us.
How's it going, man?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Right, guys, I'm warning you. I just
I can't believe it's not. Throw it for me, okay?
Stop, this way.
That's gonna be great, man.
I would definitely have fun tonight.
We might try. Breathe.
Scott, cut it out. Bye, Jan. Don't study too hard.
It's not on autofocus. It was not autofocus. I can't believe it.
No! Come on, Scott!
Open the BB gun.
That was there last year, Pete.
No potato sack slide.
I'm going for the girls this time.
Scott, look. Aim.
Back from that dude. Wonderful time.
I guess they didn't have it this year. Wow.
We're not going on something that we don't even know.
Oh, what?
So much fun.
Mark's having a joyous rapture. Is that the stupid flaky?
Someone gonna get out of my god. Oh man, smaller.
What's up, boy? Because of that. Scott. He's telling us about last year about how he got the new kids on the block, but that's all he remembered.
You ready, Mark?
Yeah. Recording, is it?
Yeah, now it is.
Is it? No way.
Yeah.
It is. The light's on.
But it says white.
Please.
How do I get to stop?
Hit the button again.
I peed in my pants, alright?
Chandler, movie like the
Scott, you look so
handsome. Scott.
I just didn't want to say it.
Scott, Chandler and I, we want you.
Scott. Ready, Scott? Lean. Yeah. Okay, now lean this way. Wait. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This way. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh no, we're not.
Now, this way.
You gotta get it going good. How do we do it?
Down, lean.
This way.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Now this way.
This way. There we go. Oh, shit. Okay. This will be and turn.
Whoops, wrong way.
Oh shit. Oh fuck, we fucked it up. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh my God, that was so cool.
This way.
No, no, no. This way.
Wait, I think I figured it out. You pull in the opposite way you're turning.
This way. No, I think you're wrong. Here we go. You getting all this, Scott? Oh yeah. Oh man, we gotta do this again.
Oh, that's right.
All right. Oh, we're slowing down.
Oh, hey, we can still get some good spins.
There we go. Oh yeah. This way. Whoa, baby.
Oh, this way. Oh!
Woo! Get that out of my face.
Three calls, like, can you take it?
I'm gonna beat this fucking thing on your ass.
Oh, I'm going too screen. Eek!
Come on, we're not spinning anymore.
Oh,
We need to work. Oh, shit. That was a good one.
Oh, jeez.
Get the fucking thing out of my face. Here we go, guys. And ready? Get set. Turn. Oh, shit. You're fucking it up, Mark. This way. Oh, you're right. Okay, opposite turn. This way. Oh, yeah.
I get a feeling we're in inevitable spin.
Oh, man. We can't stop.
We can't stop her. We're not stopping.
Whoa. We're not stopping.